In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a ClickUp space. ClickUp is an incredibly versatile platform for managing tasks, projects, and teams. Over time, though, you might find that some of your spaces are no longer active or relevant. Archiving a space is a great way to declutter your workspace while keeping your projects organized and accessible in the background. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of archiving a space in ClickUp, ensuring that your workflow stays clean and efficient. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to www.clickup.com. Once you're on the home page, log into your ClickUp account using your email address or a connected provider like Google. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Once you've logged in, you'll be taken to your ClickUp homepage. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation panel. This is where all your spaces, folders, and tasks are organized. Take a moment to locate the specific space you want to archive. You'll find it listed in the left sidebar alongside your other active spaces. Now, hover your mouse over the name of the space you want to archive. When you do this, a small icon with 3 dots will appear next to the space name. This is the Actions menu. Go ahead and click on the 3 dots icon to open it. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labeled Archive and select it. ClickUp will then ask you to confirm your choice. Once you confirm, the space will be moved to your archived spaces. To double-check that the space has been archived successfully, take another look at your active space list in the left sidebar. The space you just archived should no longer appear there, and that's it. Your space is now archived, helping you keep your workspace tidy while still allowing you to restore it later if needed. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.